We try to develop pre-competitive, basic research ideas on wireless networking and communications. We're comprised currently of 16 faculty across 3 departments here at the university, all with a fundamental interest in various types of wireless research, and everything from antennas, propagation measurements, to integrated circuit design for wireless, to particularly physical layer design, networking, protocol design, as well as some of the applications that then run across wireless networks. So we really have sort of a broad, I think, and this is kind of our goal, is to have a very comprehensive center that really can kind of a one-stop shop for wireless, which is, I think, distinguishes us from a lot of the other sort of wireless research centers in the country that have a much more narrow focus. A lot of our faculty are young. Probably over half the group's been hired in the last 8 years. So it's a very young, fresh group. And so we have 10 industrial affiliates. Some, a bunch of them from Texas. Some of the ones I named, like National Instruments, Dell, Texas Instruments. We really are seen as an international center of excellence, and we draw many of our brightest students from all countries all over the world as well. So about nearly half of our graduates go on to be academics themselves. The other half, work in industry, and we'd like to see more of them start companies. That's one of our big goals, but that's a very difficult thing to do. We'd like to see companies being spun off from here. There's some of that happening now. It's a very hard cultural thing to start, and we've put a lot of energy, and that's one of our goals for interacting with local industry, with the Austin Technology Incubator and with some of the VCs, is to try to make it easy for our students to launch companies based on their research. And then a lot of our students also get hired both by local companies and by our industrial affiliates in particular, and go off and lead things related to their research there. So on next generation standards, and things like that. So we see that as a very important role as well.